First, let's put 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Chili powder. Yan. Then, lagay tayo ng half tablespoon of pepper. And then, let's put half tablespoon of paprika. And then, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Sumobra. Ayan. And yung ating garlic. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Then, masahin natin siya.
Wag mo na, kay, wag mo na, kay.
Yan. Masahin lang natin. Nagugas ako ng kamay. Ngayon yung ating first marinade. Tchan! And para sumulap yung ating gochujang marinade, lagyan natin siya ng 1 tablespoon of honey. So parang sweet and spicy siya. Yan. Then mix lang natin. Yan po ating first marinade. Gochujang. Next naman natin is yung ating barbecue marinade. So meron tayong Mamacita's barbecue marinade. Lagyan natin ng 1 cup. Sakto siya. So ayan. Then after that, lagyan natin ng garlic. Half cup of garlic. Then after that, yung ating pepper. So sa pepper, half teaspoon of pepper. Then mix lang natin. Ayan po yung ating second marinade, yung ating barbecue marinade. Next is yung ating balat. Sweet and sour, Korean style marinade. So, half cup of lemon. Yan yung ating 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Ating sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Then 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So, ubusin na natin. Next natin is yung ating lemon honey garlic marinade. So, let's put 2 tablespoons of honey. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin yung ating garlic, at least half cup of garlic. So, marami siya. Lagyan natin. And yung ating sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then yung ating lemon. Half cup of lemon. Ayan. Then yung ating pepper. Lagyan natin na 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then, ayun na, ang ating lemon, honey, garlic marinade. So, mix lang natin siya. Tcharam!